Welcome to SG Riders. Ducati has already made a strong impression in the motocross world, and now the upcoming 2027 Ducati Desmo250 MX is generating excitement among off-road enthusiasts. Although Ducati has not yet released the complete official specifications, this new lightweight motocross machine is expected to build on the company's racing experience and bring advanced technology to the 250cc MX class. A new chapter for Ducati. The Desmo250 MX represents Ducati's continued commitment to motocross. After entering the off-road segment, Ducati has focused on developing competitive race bikes with modern engineering. The 250 MX is expected to target riders looking for a lightweight, high-performance motorcycle capable of competing at the highest level. Engine and performance. The 2027 Ducati Desmo250 MX is expected to feature a high-revving 250cc four-stroke engine designed for motocross racing. Ducati is likely to emphasize smooth power delivery, quick throttle response, and strong acceleration. While official performance figures have not yet been announced, the motorcycle is expected to compete with the leading 250cc motocross models on the market. Chassis and suspension. A lightweight chassis and premium suspension are expected to be key highlights of the Desmo250 MX. Riders can anticipate responsive handling, excellent cornering stability, and confidence over jumps, rough tracks, and technical terrain. Ducati's racing development is expected to play an important role in the bike's overall balance and performance. Modern technology. As with Ducati's other motorcycles, the Desmo250 MX is expected to benefit from advanced engineering and race-inspired components. Final details about electronics and rider aids have not yet been officially confirmed, but Ducati's focus on innovation suggests that the bike will feature modern technology appropriate for competitive motocross. Competition. The Ducati Desmo250 MX is expected to compete against popular models such as the Honda CRF 250R, Yamaha YZ250F, KTM 250SXF, Kawasaki KX250, Suzuki RMZ250, Husqvarna FC 250, and GasGas MC 250F. Entering this highly competitive class shows Ducati's ambition to become a serious player in off-road racing. Availability. At the time of writing, Ducati has not officially announced the complete specifications, pricing, or global availability of the 2027 Desmo250 MX. More information is expected as Ducati releases official updates in the future. Conclusion. The 2027 Ducati Desmo250 MX has the potential to become one of the most exciting upcoming motocross motorcycles. If Ducati delivers the expected combination of lightweight performance, racing technology, and premium engineering, it could become a strong competitor in the 250cc motocross category. For more motorcycle news, upcoming bike launches, reviews, and the latest updates, subscribe to SG Riders and stay tuned for future videos.